And ladies and gentlemen, how 1 year passes. So much happens in 1 year. So many things change. Exactly 1 year back, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, around 4:30, on the 8th of October 2020, two men came out. One, Parambir Singh. Second, Sachin Waze. They had fiction in their hands and they set out to script what they thought would be the tale of the destruction of Republic. They thought so because they had the entire media cheering them. It was a conspiracy with the media. They fabricated a fake case on us. They framed us with false charges. They said Arnab Goswami is a cheat. They summoned us. They picked up a case, a law from 1922, planted it on us. They filed FIRs against every employee of the Republic Media Network, virtually. They said, we want access to your newsroom. They said, we will have access and even determine and look into your editorial policy. They put my colleagues in jail for months on end. They tortured my colleagues and whipped them with chakki belts, which have metal strips, corrugated metal strips on them. They asked for all our accounts and we gave them absolutely everything. And they said they were doing this because they were the good ones and we were the scamsters. They, ladies and gentlemen, Sachin Waze and Parambir Singh, were the good ones and Republic were the bad ones. Ladies and gentlemen, what happened after that was incredible. It has come to my notice now that this was actually a massive corporate conspiracy as well. The anti-Republic media sniffed a great business opportunity to further their corporate agenda. And they amplified and made Sachin Waze and Parambir a hero. 1 year, ladies and gentlemen, today Sachin Waze is in jail. Parambir, I'm told, has fled India. And the Republic Media Network has become much, much stronger. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing of what would have happened. People say this is a turnaround, this is karma. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. But I just wanted to start my program tonight by telling you that nothing would have been possible without you. When everyone turned against us, when every powerful quarter either looked away or targeted us, only and only you stood with us. In fact, you were unwavering in your support at every single moment. Here is the story of the last 365 days. And then tonight we debate.
It has been 365 days of punching the truth in the face of the conspirators.
एक नया रैकेट जो कि मुंबई पुलिस के हमारी क्राइम ब्रांच के हाथ लगा है, ये रैकेट है फॉल्स टीआरपी का। जितनी अभी तक हमने इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया है, सबसे बड़ा नाम है रिपब्लिक टेलीविजन का।
The desperate corporate agenda of the Lutyens media has now been smashed into a stony silence. Those with a corporate agenda couldn't tolerate how Republic Media Network became number one. The truth has emerged as a tsunami over the past 1 year.
सचिन वाजे जहां पर तलोजा जेल में पहुंच चुके हैं, देखिए ये तलोजा जेल में जहां पर सचिन वाजे मौजूद है।
परमवीर सिंह जी घर पे हैं वो, कब आएंगे पता नहीं।
Tsunami of truth has been unleashed because today the revelations and evidence that I have with me have far-reaching implications for the Republic Media Network. This is the worst ever misuse and abuse of public office to fix, frame and crush independent media in this country, M.R. Venkatesh.
With absolutely no communication from Parambir's side, Maharashtra government now suspects that the former Mumbai police commissioner could have escaped in the last few weeks. In fact, the Maharashtra government has now decided that they would be officially writing to the centre seeking their assistance to locate Parambir Singh.
The vindication comes after over 160 hours of interrogation of our Team Republic. It comes after they booked our entire Republic team. After arrests were made without any arrest memos.
Get out of this. Get out of this. Get out of this.
Cooperating, sir.
Get out of
I'm
this.
merely asking you. He has been cooperating.
Get out of this.
Republic complied with every summons because of its unshakable belief in the truth.
I've been a crime reporter for over 10 years. I've not seen this. It's very unfortunate. And before I enter, I would just like to say, Mumbai माझी कर्मभूमी आहे. मी विनंती करतो, जे माझे विषय अन्याय घडले, त्यासाठी एकत्र लढावे.
We stood with the truth during every wrongful arrest. We did not compromise when our senior employee Ghanshyam was tortured.
जो 27 दिन मैंने जेल में था उसमें ये दृढ़ निश्चय हो गया कि हम सच के लिए लड़ रहे हैं और सच्चाई की जीत होगी और आज भी सच्चाई की जीत हुई और सच्चाई की जीत होगी.
There is no other news network which has been as transparent in the face of it.
I stand before you with my book of accounts. I want justice in this country.
When Parambir was giving fellow architect of the fake TRP case awards,
We support! We support!
your support remained uncompromised. You hit the streets for all over the world. You prayed for us, you fought by our side.
Republic's victory is our victory.
This support is as loud and strong today as it was 365 days ago.
We are from Chandigarh and we had been watching your channel Poochta Hai Bharat and we are proud of you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
This is what I call karma, hitting back big time. More power to you all at Republic TV and more strength to my hero, Arnab Goswami.
A journalist-led news network built brick by brick with a nationalist mission to put India first was targeted exactly a year ago. But today, those at the helm of the witch hunt are behind bars. They are on the run. The conspiracies have crumbled and the anti-Republic media has gone silent. These 365 days tell the truth of our collective victory. They tell the story of our fight for the truth. They tell a story of growth, and they are a symbol of what Republic is truly made of. Let's debate.